Comfortable, clean, safe. That's how your home should feel. Living in a home with poor air quality can challenge your immune and respiratory system, mental health, and productivity. Air quality has 3 pillars: filtration, ventilation, and humidity control. Your filtration system helps capture airborne particles on a whole home scale. Unlike air purifiers, which only service one room at a time, proper ventilation replaces stale air with new outdoor air, removing any built-up chemicals from off-gassing and CO2 from breathing. Older homes weren't built to keep poor quality air from coming in, and newer homes' tight building envelopes make ventilation so important, though it's often neglected. Humidity control creates a comfortable and safe environment, while preventing mold growth and damage to your home's structure and furnishings. The foundation of your home's air quality is airflow. Without airflow, the equipment that manages these 3 pillars can't function. With a professionally installed and maintained smart system, you'll have peace of mind that your home's air quality is healthy, safe, and meeting the needs of your family throughout the year. That's why we created Haven. The Haven Central Air Monitor is installed in your family's forced air system by your trusted technician. It tracks the comfort of your indoor environment while scanning for unhealthy particles and chemicals. When paired with the central air controller or a smart thermostat, the monitor sends a message to activate your HVAC equipment automatically, ensuring proper filtration, ventilation, and humidity control of your air for optimal home health. This innovative solution is compatible with most forced air systems, using Wi-Fi to add smart capabilities to your existing equipment. Transform your HVAC system into the best air cleaning system, invisible and integrated, and it's all easily accessible through your smartphone. With Haven's automation, you can carry on with your everyday activities and breathe better, knowing Haven is caring for your health. Let's turn your home into a haven.